Good evening, Raheela. Congratulations on your placement.
Good evening, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
So, this is Yogesh here from CMTI Quality Department. Now I'm going to take your feedback. Please introduce yourself.
Sure, sir. I myself, G. Raheela from Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation in the stream of civil engineering from Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology, Anantapur.
So, tell me, Raheela, which course you have joined here?
Interior Designing and Management at CMTI.
So, tell me about the classrooms and sessions which you have attended during your internship here at CMTI.
The classrooms and the trainers are very good. Trainers teach in various aspects like reading drawings, cut list, procurement process, factory process, material knowledge, whatever industry needs, that all trained here within 2 months only, sir. We also visited factory sites like Glamwood, Penesta, IKEA, and many experience centers like Balaji Textiles, IKEA, where I get more information. In classrooms, we get theoretical knowledge, and at site visits, we get practical knowledge.
So, tell me about the learnings at the site visit, like showroom, factory, experience center. What have you learned?
Sure, sir. As coming to the Glamwood, we learn factory process. As coming to IKEA, we seen various types of materials, modern materials, minimalist materials, traditional materials as well in IKEA. As coming to the Fenesta, we seen production process, and we recently visited Asian Paints Academy, where they trained us how to keep putty, paints, primer. They explained everything in detail about the painting codes also, sir. That's it, sir.
Okay, good. So tell me about the software. Which are the softwares you have learned here at CMTI?
We learned 2D AutoCAD. For 3D, we learned SketchUp and plugins like V-Ray and Enscape, sir.
So tell me the trainer support during your training.
After giving the classes, they trained very well, sir. They provide us assignments. We should complete on that day only, so that it will be helpful for the interviews only, sir. We make learning report, daily learning reports, and portfolio, which helps us very much at interview time, sir.
Okay. So tell me the coordination from the supporting staff here at CMTI.
Yes, sir. From starting to the up to handing over the offer letter, they cared very well, sir. They monitored everything in every aspect. They also helped us in classrooms, doubts, everything. If we didn't understand that class also, they will provide us class recordings. We can also able to learn from recording.
Okay. So as you got the placement through us, through CMTI, so tell me about the HR role. I mean, how they were supportive.
HR ma'am is very supportive for us. She is giving suggestions for us, which company suits you well, which role suits you well. She is like very friendly with us. We are not feeling like HR. We feel very friendly with HR. She will give many suggestions for us about the companies, interviews, roles, at all, everything, sir.
Tell me about your preparation.
I followed each and every class from first day onwards, sir. I make a learning report daily, sir, and I also make 2D, 3D drawings and daily learning report.
So you have gone through each and every report what you have learned.
Yes, sir.
During your training.
I trained in various aspects like standard dimensions, materials, and cut list, procurement process, factory process, production process. Everything I learned, I trained in within 3 months only, sir.
So these are the things you revised once again before attending the interview.
Yes, sir. I refer my report also, sir. Portfolio also. It is very helpful at the time of the interview.
Okay, fantastic. Tell me, like after coming to CMTA,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me like which are the things you have learned, which you feel that okay, during my college graduation, I have not learned these things. Tell me which are the things you learned after
Yes,
joining
sir.
CMTA.
As I am civil engineer, I don't have any knowledge about interior designing also. So I am zero knowledge about the interior designing. But when I completed the course at CMTI, I have more knowledge about the interior designing. So interior designing is not only designing part, it is also like from talking with the client to the handing over the project, we should be in various aspects. Everything teaches step by step process, everything, sir.
So each and every level, every process, you should know it.
Yes, sir.
So how many interviews you attended, Raheela?
Sir, at first interview, interview only I cracked my interview, sir.
So finally, tell me like what you would like to say to your juniors, people who would like to join CMTI.
CMTI is a good platform to start our career where we can apply our technical skills, creativity, knowledge, innovative idea, as design knowledge, and we can also grow simultaneously professionally, sir.
Fantastic. Thank you for your wonderful feedback. So tell me like you got placement at which company?
I placed in No Broker, which is a top reputed company in corporate field, sir.
Fantastic, Raheela. Thank you for your valuable time and valuable feedback also. Congratulations again on your placement.
Thank you very much, sir.